Why you should love cats if you don't already, which is weird, not gonna lie, but whatever, here we go. Look at their paws, they're tiny little beans, the itty squishers, look at them. Don't you want to touch them? Well, don't, because the cat will murder you. Same with the belly, look at the belly, it's so round, so full of secrets, but do not the belly, do not. Your hand will be hamburger and cats hold grudges. Never mind that, look at their cute little snoot, perfect for snoot boops, just a cute little snoot for boop, and it's so good, it's perfect. And did you know cats purr? Did you know there are people who don't know cats purr? Cats vibrate when they're happy, and the vibrates help accelerate healing in humans. True fact, but also it's just cute and sweet. Anyway, cats are perfect. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.